Hello and welcome to the Garcias. I'm Pico the son, and today with me is
Trisha!
my wife. And today we'll be trying Korean snacks. We have 5 Korean snacks with us, and we'll taste each one and react as we go.
You have to tell them why we chose Korean snacks.
Why did we choose Korean snacks, babe?
Because we like Korean food. I like Korean food.
Okay, because Trisha likes Korean food, we'll try Korean snacks. Kasi we can't read the label. How will we find?
We'll describe them.
We'll describe. Okay,
I will describe.
We'll choose the first one at random. This is the first one, babe. This is
It's a snack that says garlic dipping sauce. So for the sake of this video, we'll just call it garlic dipping sauce.
okay. This is garlic dipping sauce.
Huh?
Okay, let's take
Very
one
good
each.
opening.
Take one each and eat together. Excite.
It does taste like a dipping sauce. Parang it's something you would dip chicken in or french fries.
Kind of tastes like.
I like it.
It tastes like truffle.
Yeah. Honey mustard.
Yeah, honey mustard.
With a hint of garlic.
Yeah.
Actually, wala siyang hint of garlic at all.
You know how yung honey mustard wings taste? Exactly. It tastes exactly like that. Cool.
Pwede ako maging taste tester. I like it.
Okay. How would you rate this chip on a scale of 1 to 10 based on flavor?
A 6. Kasi baka mas gusto ko yung iba. Tapos, I can't go.
I give it a 7. Okay?
Gusto nga ako.
Open na. On to the next one. The second chip
I'm
that
sorry.
we are trying is
Pizza.
this chip that says pizza. Okay. Okay. Do the honors, Nala.
Ang dali i-open
galing.
ng Korean chips.
Okay. Kudos to the makers of these packs. They're easy to open. Okay.
Smell mo.
Smells like
Pizza.
curry. Di ba? Ganap tuloy ako.
Okay, so yung texture niya, para siyang puffy. Yung kanina, para lang siyang ruffles. The one from a while ago, para siyang... para siyang ruffles. Oh no!
Here, this one is like a waffle. Okay.
Sorry. I was still eating the other one.
Kind of bland for me. Right?
Nothing about it tastes like pizza though.
Parang matabang na potato fries. You know na yung potato fries ng ketchup, pero matabang. Less flavor.
It's just tomato. Parang,
Tomato infused snack. Crisp.
what do you call that bread when we go to Spanish restaurants? Yung parang siyang
Wow.
bread and then may tomato lang on top. Ganun siya.
Bread with tomato. 1 to 10?
4.
I give it a 5. My score is always higher than yours. Okay, for our third snack, it is, babe, how do you describe this one?
Good ba yan?
Yes. Look at the back.
Oh!
Boom, tiny.
So, they look like squids pala.
We'll call it Squid Game.
I thought they were like,
Parang
peanuts
there's a spicy
naman.
logo.
parang it has like a butter, bread with butter thing on top. Medyo
a strong
stinky siya. Oh shit. Smells like squid talaga.
Okay.
Medyo puffy din siya.
Yeah, this one has more parang
Air.
inside. Yeah. Taste. Tastes bland to me.
Ito yung lasang curry.
Okay.
No, yung white.
Yeah. For me, it tastes like non-salted curry. Like curry would be more
Like 50% salt. Parang
of curry.
ganun. They should make their snack flavors more on point. Like, hindi, like this one, butter. That was my
That's a picture
squid.
of butter. Parang you're confused as
Parang
to...
medyo confusing yung flavors.
flavor
Like,
they're
the
trying to
pizza one doesn't taste like pizza. It's just tomato. Like, they could have just labeled it tomato flavored.
Or baka we're, baka
And this
we're
one is like more honey mustard than it is
garlic dip.
garlic dipping.
Baka we're just used to like stronger flavors.
As Filipinos.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, what's the rating of this one?
5.
Ako 4.
Ano ba ito tayo?
Okay, your turn.
This
For
one.
the fourth one, it is...
So it looks like, I don't know what that is, but it looks like a baked thing. Potato gratin.
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 Gratin. Okay.
Gratin? Gratin ba?
Open.
Let's see.
Be honest.
Oh no, it has like an area.
A tear
So
here.
this whole thing is straight, but there's an area that has like that. Ano ba tawag dito?
Parang
Not there.
ridges. What's it look like?
Para siyang manipis na cracklings.
But with... again. Ridges.
They all taste the same.
This is kind of sweet. Diba? It just tastes sweet to me. Not very cheesy as the picture suggests.
I really don't know what this is supposed to be.
But I'd take this over the squid thing. Mas
Yeah.
may flavor siya for me.
Yeah.
Huh? What's your rating for this one?
Still give it a 5 though.
6.
Last one! This last one is maple corn.
Maple corn. With... It looks like this is the one with the most unique shape.
Ooh! Parang this is sweet. This looks sweet. So it's this big.
And it's really puffy.
And it's
No?
really, yeah, parang siyang,
Thick.
and it smells super sweet. It smells like Disneyland! Parang, you know,
Parang movie. Amoy movie.
Oh! It is sweet. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it.
It tastes like movie to me.
Yung caramel na movie. Oh, I love it. My favorite so far. Baka kasi it's sweet.
Maple corn.
I give it an 8. So
7.
it's sweet and then
Oh shit.
it's caramelly. It is mapley.
Yeah.
It really does taste like Disney. Smell like Disneyland. I love it. And I do the bang.
This is probably the top one, no?
Yeah, it's so good. I love it. I love it so much. Whatever this is, the one with the maple corn. It's sweet talaga. Like, no hint of savouriness. Ano tawag doon? Savor. And it's so big. Like, each piece is like 2 bites.
Yeah.
Or 3
Yeah,
if you
2
have
or
like a
3 bites.
small mouth.
Agree.
Favorite so far.
7.
An 8.
Okay. So this one is top 1. Which one's top 2? I like that too. So maybe that's top 2.
Parang these are the more flavorful ones. And then the rest are all just like bland. Tapos parang different levels
Okay.
of bland.
Sige. Would you like to pick a top 3? This one. Yeah.
Okay,
And then
now dito tayo hindi magka-pareho.
For you last
This
yan.
one, this is last for me. This is last for you.
Yeah. We'll just put them together. Sige. What topic? Are you just together? No? Okay. Like that, pwede.
I want to try it now then.
Mas may lasa to eh. Hindi ba? Ketchup. This one,
not
no
ketchup.
lasa eh.
It's tomato sauce. There's a difference.
Okay. Let's hold it. Here they are ranked.
Yay!
From first to last.
This is the best one. Sarap. Shit.
Okay. If you guys know the names of these snacks, the English names, don't hesitate to comment. Alright. That concludes this video.
Yeah. Bye!
Yay! Bye! Ano tayo?
One. Pico.
Hindi, ayun
Pico.
tayo
Pico.
Hindi.
Start
Ano tayo
here.
dito?
Start
Hindi
here.
kailangan, hindi kailangan.
Start here. Hello and welcome to my channel. Hello. Padre pa. Woo!
Ano ba? Pwede doon mo.
Welcome. Welcome.
Okay.
Hello
Game.
and welcome to our channel. We'll be discussing chips. Chips are live.